In Taos, New Mexico, residents have reported a low, persistent hum for decades. The sound is described as a constant, deep vibration that only some people can hear. Is the Taos hum caused by machines underground or something stranger? Some claim it's linked to secret military bases, while others say it's natural. Scientists still cannot fully explain the hum, leaving room for wild theories. The Taos hum remains one of the strangest mysteries of our time, with no source ever found. Follow us for more micro-documentaries every day.